Next comes this, goes through there, needs to be free, which it is, and then it goes through here. But before we do that, it needs a washer. Wash in there. Okay guys, I've got it on. I cleaned out the gears a little bit. I'm pretty sure it's not 100% at the moment. It was moving, it's a bit tight. Okay guys, so he's got 6mm tube, but it's very flexy, it's thin and flexy. I've got, this is like a 2mm, 3mm tube, which means when I blow into here, it's going to be really hard for me to blow, but it's all I got at the moment, so I'm going to try it with that. And basically it goes, he took this off here for now, and it goes into there, and I'm going to push this, put it against this one here, like this, them two there, can you see them two there? So that's what I'm going to attempt to do, but I'm going to have to burn this and push it through, see what happens. So this goes on this wheel here, somehow like this. That's good. Now this has to be cut here, so I'll zoom in a bit. Okay, so this has to be cut here, but what this has to do is go right in back there, that way there, and then this has to go there, like that. And you measure this and you cut it. Make sure that's in. So I would say, where's my cutters? I would say roughly about there, rough estimate, like that. And I'm going to push this inside here. It's a fiddly job. Pliers. Not sure if that's done the job. Not pushing it down. So I have to work on that until that's freely going in and out of there. That's what it needs to do. Okay. Like I said, guys, I had to redo it again. I use a very thin plastic and don't use a balloon like I did before, just to make sure. And all the process that I did on the balloon one is the same. So I've stuck it down. I'm going to put this on, put the screws on, and so on and so forth. Works great with the compressor. I have loosened quite a lot, and I just got to make sure I can blow into it to make it work the same way. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I just got to work by blowing into it, but I have to blow very hard, so I'm not really happy with it. But this is how it goes. I'm going to try something. The gentleman used 6mm inside diameter on this one, so this is the larger tube. I'm going to try that with a larger tube. Maybe it'll help me blow it. I'm very happy with that. It just means that this this may not fit into the into this, because obviously the holes are quite thin there, so I'm gonna have to order the thin tube somehow and then do it from there.